Dito na kami ni Abby. Here we are in kukunin na namin yung luggage namin. Ate, kukunin na namin yung luggage namin. Here, oh, busok. Ah, there, 6. Counter 6 pala kami. Ito, counter 4, counter 6. Ayan, yun kami. Counter 5. Counter 6, be. Kita mo? There. Saw it. English-Englishan kami dito. Ngayon, syempre. English-Englishan. Baliktad. Ay, thanks God. Thanks God. So, hanapin naman namin ng palabas. Ang galing namin ni Abby, no? Hanapin naman namin ng palabas. Abby, can you do that?
Yeah.
Okay. You can do this. We can do that. Ah, diba? English kami nga. We will currency exchange? No, because ate is there. So, dapat English talaga kami. Para pagkamala kami hindi taga-probinsya. China Airlines. We're looking for the exit. Let's ask the guard. May parawan. The cart. No need? No need to borrow? Custom arrival hall. They're over there. There, you follow the people there, oh. Moving forward. There. Follow the people moving forward. I told you to borrow one card.
Why would you buy one?
There, oh.
No, that's fine.
Okay?
This is it.
Okay, this is it.
And then,
Customs.
if we get lost, then we will
If we get lost, eh, we lost. Anyway,
we're just following the flow.
ipiprint ako na naman si Abby, ang beauty ni Abby. Pag kami na lost, ipiprint ako na si Abby. Yan, kayang-kaya ni Abby sagutin niyang mga nandyan na people. Okay, will not be get lost. Oh, Visa is the way to pay in Taiwan. Oh, see? Oh, eto na exit. We can see the exit. OMG! Over there! Over there! Over here! Over here! We're here! Over here! Did you see Ate Mika? Where's Ate Mika? Ate Mika, where are you? There, let's sit. There, let's sit for a while.